Alright, so first part is to use ad hoc commands for Ansible facts on a Windows server. Let's do an Ansible doc pipe grab everything starting win. Oh, my mistake. Minus L. There we can see the different Windows options. So is there anything with facts? And we have a win chocolatey and a win disk facts and a win product facts. That's an interesting one. We don't have anything at first sight. So, okay. So let's do Ansible. And of course we need to tweak the inventory with the Windows machine. Let's do Ansible Windows minus M win disk facts, or maybe a little bit easier, win product facts, and that should be reaching out to the Windows server and give us product facts. Fact gathering can always take a little bit of time, so sit it out, be patient, and oh no, what do we get? Well, we get failed to connect to the host via SSH. Does that make sense? Yes, that makes sense, because you remember we had this separate Windows product directory, and in this product directory there was an inventory, and this inventory is telling us to use WinRM instead of SSH. So let's run it again and see if that is better, and should almost be better. We should be looking at Win, not Windows. And there we can see, yay, fact gathering is working. Now, how about users? Well, I would say Ansible doc win user. Just a wild guess. And yay, we have a win user. And if I want to use a module like this, I need to look for mandatory options. And I would say name is a mandatory option, and maybe also a password. Plain text, that's okay with me. Name and password. So Ansible win minus M win user minus A. Name is Anna. Password is password. And well, at least we can see that Windows is answering. So let's do a secure password. Like I told you before, putting passwords this way is not really elegant. Later in this course you will learn about Ansible Vault, which is telling you how to do it in a really secure way, but for now it should work. And there we go, user has just been created. And that's how it works, that's all. Let's continue with the next lesson, which is about playbooks.